What's going on? JakeOfALL here. I want to talk to you today about like maximized compatibility. So if you don't know, I talk to Electron Smith, Benjamin Johnson, quite regularly. I wish more recently, but I've been crazy busy, and I sell a lot of his designs, and we've talked about stuff. And this is the Cliptech adapter that he did. Oh, do you like my hat? This PACKOUT princess got me. Kings of Chaos. They make apparel and stuff, and she knows I like camo because you can't see my head. So heck yeah. So the Cliptech adapter, right? So this is pretty darn universal. I'll show you why. So what he's got is this is the rail mount. It's got a little back bracket to go onto the rail, set screws. These two holes, you can also screw it to a wall. These holes, right? Let me show you out in the garage. That bottom hole is to attach to this. And this is the locking foot that he also designed. So watch this, right? I've got a PACKOUT, I've got the locking foot. You rotate it into place. So this adapter that he made works with the Cliptech pouches. It also works with his Cliptech pouch receiver, which is this guy. So if you have some stock Cliptech pouches, you can attach it to that bracket. Cooper Customs makes them as well. This uses the stock bracket from Cliptech, Tough Built, right, on his little rail mount. But say, for example, you have one of these, and you want to utilize one system, right? So you love their pouches, or you want to make everything. You got the tool belt, right? Yes, my belly. So say you wanted to put this on your tough tool belt, your Cliptech, Tough Built, whatever, right? Boop, like that, okay? So that's what he did this for. But that little adapter he has does have a few limitations. And he tried to make it as compatible as possible. And one of them, right, let's take this off. What if you want to try to use this on the Packible JOA? Let me show you. So on the JOA, you can see the profile is there. But when you go to expand it, it's especially one-handed, right? You can see it sort of expands. Okay. All right, we got it. No, we don't have it. Oh, here we are. Oh, there we go, right? Then it falls. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't work. It doesn't work there. And what this also doesn't work on is the stock Milwaukee cart. So say, for example, I fix this. And they go like this, as it just, fail, come on, fail, okay. So it wants to try to work, but then it falls back in. And that's where we first came out with the little round discs. The round discs give this foot a bigger profile, so on the front and the back it has something to grab onto. You could then screw this Cliptech to that disc, and it'll keep it from falling through. It will sort of work on the JOA, it'll work on this. But I wanted to sort of one-up that, and I thought, why not modify this? And here's what I got, right? Imagine you've got some of these. These are the STEALTHMOUNT adapters. They are like a cleat. What they let you do is mount a PACKOUT to just about anything, like the cleats that are 3D printed, but these ones, of course, are injection molded. Well, then that made me think, well, since they have these cleat and feet, right, like that, you've got this, right, which this will not really work with the rotating feet, but let's show it. So here you have the rotating foot, and it'll engage in this. So you can do this, right? It's not going to obviously rotate, but you can do this. So if you put these cleats in a bunch of places in your shop to mount PACKOUTs to, right, what else could you do? So my thought was, let's take this and say you don't want the rotating locking design, but you want to be able to do something similar. Let's just do this. Boom. Gravity is in your favor. It's not going to fall out. Now you can grab your pouch and lock it in there. But look, you can do more. We'll pick our wand up here. Okay. It can fit on the Milwaukee, right? With the hole in the back. But wait, there's more. It'll also, there's the top. There's the bottom, which I'm a little close to the floor, but it'll work. It'll also work on the Joey Juniors, which are those, okay? And then you could also take this guy anywhere you have these cleats. Boom. Right? Maximum compatibility. So all I've done is taken this great design from Ben Electronsmith and widened these holes. I elongated them so that you can adjust to the pattern of that. And this gives us what we need as far as compatibility. With this, the way this doesn't lock in, we don't have to expand the foot and rotate it and all that other stuff. So what you could do is literally have one of these put together, or a couple, in your pouch, in your bags, and then whenever you want to throw all your packouts together and grab a bunch of your Cliptech pouches. So say, for example, you've got an electrical bag, you've got your torch, you've got a couple other tools. You could have 1, 2 right there, 1, 2 there. Or again, you bring them over to your Joey, right? And you roll that pack out in with with 4 pouches in the front, 2 on the side. What I'm doing is really just taking a great product from StealthMount, okay? Cleat and feet, or just the feet, right? I'm taking an awesome product from Ben Electronsmith, which is this universal, and making it just a little bit more universal to work with either this, right, or this. And I think it's a simple little setup. So what I was just saying is, it's a simple little setup. All of these guys, Cooper Customs, Electronsmith, StealthMounts, make great products. But you guys have different needs. When you can design a product to fit one need, great. When you can design a product to fit 2 needs, better. If you can make it a multitasker that can do a gambit of different configurations, you're maximizing the compatibility, and there's less customization. So when you guys reach out and say, hey, can you make it work with this? Can you make it work with this? Why don't we make it work with as much stuff as possible, right? Say, for example, this. I've got this wall bracket. Look at that, right? Look at how many tool pouches I can hang on there. You can use this with the stock Milwaukee plate. This guy right here. Okay? You can use it with aftermarket ones. You can use it with the cleat and feet. You can use it with the cart. It's just about increasing the compatibility so that you don't have to make a bunch of custom options. And really, you could buy this foot and you could buy this Cliptech thing now and have a pouch of these, as I was saying, to where you can just adapt. And that's really all it is. So again, I want to thank, right, because we're building on the shoulders of the great ones. Electronsmith, we love his products. They're awesome. StealthMounts, great stuff. We love it too. They're awesome. Cooper Customs, he just makes the world's most industrial holders ever. Those things could take a bomb. They're going to outlast the PACKOUT. Awesome stuff. All I wanted to do was make it a little bit more compatible with other stuff because you guys have requested it. So I hope you like this one. We actually have most of this stuff in our shop, or store.jakeofall.com. Check it out. Let me know in this video what you would want to adapt to what and how you would use this. If this covers your needs, let me know how it covers your needs. If it doesn't, let me know what else you would want it to adapt to. Because I think if you like these tough built tool pouches and you want to be able to attach stuff easily, quickly, removably, on and off, this is the way to go. If you just want a system, you can get a 3D printed this, and you can get a 3D printed receiver, and you can literally make anything you want Cliptech capable to attach it to your ladder. It's locking. You can do anything. And then you can adapt it to all your existing stuff, all your existing PACKOUT stuff. So it's a win-win. I wanted to basically just preach to you all about let's make it as compatible as possible. That is not in any way a dig on Electronsmith because he already made that thing like a 5-way compatible, which is super awesome. But a bunch of you, I've seen how do you hang a Cliptech pouch to the front of a PACKOUT. And this is just a simple, easy way and inexpensive. So thank you all for watching. Do me a favor, click the subscribe, all right? I need you guys to subscribe because if you subscribe, you see my stuff and I can get the good word out. And the good word is let's just pack out the world. Thank you all. Subscribe. Thank you all. Good. Ben, you're the man. Stealth Mounts, you guys rock. Cooper, you know it. You guys rock. See ya.